Take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium, vinyl, remote keyless entry, with 2 transmitters and panic button, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements and the tires, LT235/ADR17E all-terrain. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.